Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. Are you looking for that one dress to make you feel beautiful that you can wear at any occasion? Well, this dress by Coco is my go-to dress. Even in the rain, this does not leave water spots. It dries immediately. It's perfect for photo shoots, for a bridal party. It's great for a dinner date. And I love how comfortable it feels. So this flow at the bottom, you can see it, and the hem is ideal. The way that it was made and the quality is really nice for longevity. I also like wearing it just to feel pretty because this dress feels so nice. You can style it with different undershirts, a nice little blouse on top, and some cute sandals with a pop of color that really does give it that nice look that you're going for. It changes it from dressy to casual. Even this side view is flattering, which is really nice that they really thought of every angle. The cobalt blue that they made is beautiful, but there are other colors as well. And really being mobile with this dress makes it nice to wear for long occasions. If you're looking for a dress where you can still move, feel comfortable, but definitely dress up for the event, then this is definitely the dress. I like the A-line, the V-neck, the cap sleeve is my favorite, and the empire waist is incredibly adorable. I love it, but that's just my point of view.